Dear viewers, I am filled with immense gratitude for your unwavering support and dedication throughout your brain MRI segmentation tutorial series. Your presence has made a significant impact on our journey, and I cannot thank you enough for your commitment to stay tuned up till now. Your engagement, comments, and enthusiasm has fueled my passion for creating informative and engaging content. As we conclude this tutorial series, I am thrilled to share that there are exciting plans ahead for our channel too. By subscribing, you will gain access to future content where we will dive deeper in advanced segmentation techniques and explore the latest advancements in the field. Once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart for staying with me on this journey. Your presence and support have made all the difference. I am truly grateful to have you as a part of our YouTube family. And last point, please subscribe.